Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this JimmyBar. As you can see, it says clean snacks. And let's zoom in there, it says gluten free. Look at that. Also, here's some pictures here. We'll zoom in on it. So that is gluten free, dairy free, no artificial sweeteners. Yeah, let's open this up. And this one is the apple flavor. So if you guys want to see the back, that's what it looks like. So the ingredients, as you can see, it says dates, almond, butter, apple, crisp brown rice, oats, walnuts, honey, vanilla, and cinnamon. So let's open this up. So I got this on sale. I wanted to do a quick taste test for you guys. That's what they look like. And let's see, 3 grams of protein per bar. So let's open this up. You're right. Alright, so that's what they look like. Check that out, okay? And I'm going to rip off a piece. So you can see the dates, and it does crumble. So I'll take a look at that. It's not bad, actually. So it's held together by dates. It has a slight, nice aromatic apple flavor to it. And the cinnamon really comes through, so you do get that taste of cinnamon. So how can I describe it? It's like almost like a one of those Lara bars, but way more beefier. So it has more stuff in there. You can see it's like a granola bar with dates, basically. Not bad. Slight, like I said, slight aroma with the apple. Soft, tender. Check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.